more time doing our introduction. And then some more parents. Okay, but you're going to leave it on, remember? Yes? Okay. Riley, would you start us out, please?
Break.
Okay, wait. Do it nice and loud.
My name's Riley. My name's Nicole Rodriguez. My name is Victor Canazio. My name's Morgan. My name's Kennedy. My name is Charlie Hardin. My name is Lola Dennis. My name is Doga Burn. My name is Daniel Chen.
Many years ago, some people who called themselves pilgrims left England to find a new home. The pilgrims were leaving because they wanted to worship the way they thought best.
Bafu! 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 Bafu!
The pilgrims knew about a land far across the ocean. The land was called America, and they decided to build a ship to carry them across the ocean to America.
Bafu!
Build a ship, build a ship together. Build a ship together.
They were called a ship.
The Mayflower was loaded with food and supplies for the long, hard trip. The sails on the Mayflower were blown by the wind. The ship was very crowded. There were some children on the ship who played together. But there wasn't very much room for movement. The weather got colder and colder, and the pilgrims had to stay in the cabin. During the voyage, the pilgrims cooked, ate, and slept. It was dark and damp. Many of them got sick, but after 66 days, they could see land, and they were very happy.
They'll call this land Plymouth.
They found a land where friendly Indians were living. Sing. This is how the big tall Indian people on this drum. Hey ho, hey ho, hey, hey ho. This is how the big tall Indian shoots his bow and arrow. Hey ho, hey ho, hey, hey ho. built homes. Let's build a house.
Let's build a house. Let's build a house and work, work, work. Let's chop the trees. Let's chop the trees. Let's chop the trees and work, work, work. Let's saw the wood. Let's saw the wood. Let's saw the wood and work, work, work.
Let's place the logs.
Let's place the logs. Let's place the logs and work, work, work. Let's fill the cracks. Let's fill the cracks. Let's fill the cracks and work, work, work.
The weather was cold and the Pilgrims did not have enough food to last through the winter. Many of them got sick and died. But one day, some friendly Indians came to Plymouth and made friends with the Pilgrims. They showed them how to survive in the wilderness.
This river is a place to fish.
Have you ever been fishing on a sunny day?
Sing the little fishes going up and down the way. With their hands in the pockets and the pockets in the pants. Oh, little fishes do a reachy dance.
Oh, yes,
Sunny day. Sing the little fishes going up and down the way. With their hands in the pockets and the pockets in the pants. Oh, little fishes do a reachy dance.
Indian corn was very important to the Pilgrims because they made bread from the corn.
This is not too far.
Seeds, seeds,
Planting seeds, soon the corn will grow. The Indians have shown us how. Soon the corn will grow. Seeds, seeds, planting seeds, and soon the corn will grow. The Indians have shown us how. Soon the corn will grow.
They worked hard to get their corn to grow, and when fall came, things were much better. The Pilgrims had homes and all the food they could eat.
God has been good to us. You must thank Him. Let's have a big piece of butter in the first.
So the men went hunting and shot wild deer and turkey. Hop, guys.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
The turkey is a funny bird. His head goes
Gobble, gobble.
and all he says is just one word.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Alright, you ready? Let's try. 3 fattened
Turkeys are we. We slept all night in a tree. When the cook came around, we couldn't be found. So that's why we're here, you see.
There's a turkey in my
Backyard
backyard
and he's really getting
stand up. Now, table. Children gather wood, fire. At last the feast day came. Pilgrims went to church, but God had given something to them. And then they went home to the feast. Then soon the Indians came. And they all sat down together under the trees.
Welcome to the first Thanksgiving.
There was plenty of food for everyone, and the Pilgrims and the Indians had a great time together. Thank you for
The food and seed. Thank you for the food we eat. Thank you for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Have a happy Thank you all for coming to our wedding.
Could you stand up and take a bow with me? Indians, would you stand up and take a bow with me? And our turkey.
Way to go, turkey.
So proud of you. You did a great job. They've only practiced. This was our 5th time. So they learned it really fast. They did a great job. So I'm very proud of you. Good job, guys.